Hello everyone. I'd like to share my latest. It's a traveler's notebook, and I made it with the digital journal kit from ScreechOwlStudio called Barn Swallows, and it's a traveler's notebook. It's 4.5 inches wide, 8.5 inches high, with 1 inch spine. The closure is black twine with an eyelet, and there's 2 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 112 pages. And it unties here. I'll show you the there's an eyelet in the back here. So the front has the barn swallows. Here's the farm, and on the back is the barn. This is scrapbook paper. The first signature is barn swallows. The collection is gorgeous. I didn't tea or coffee stain anything. There's lots of room for journaling, being a traveler's notebook, and also with no tea or coffee staining, original photographs can be added to it. Other than the digital kit, all the other excuse me, all the ephemera included in this traveler's notebook is from my Etsy shop, so I won't have to mention them every time I get to one of the items. And here's an envelope with a window. I lined it with this wheelbarrow, which, oops, sorry, the glare. And inside is some journaling paper that I printed on parchment, or tracing paper. And oops, there's tracing paper. The images are just lovely. A glassine bag with some journaling paper. There's some drawing paper. There's a little tag. Each signature has 2 weeks. I don't know if you can see the weekly planner. The middle of the signature is a tag I made with the kit. Also, this tag I made with the kit. There's the second week in the first planner. There's a corner tuck. I made that tag. These 2. And this tag from the kit. The other side of the drawing paper. Here's the other side of the glassine bag. This journaling card I made from the kit. It's on the ephemera. There's graph paper, there's line paper, there's plain. I think these are sweet. And I put a variety of some paper also. So here's the first signature. The second one, this is sewn on, same as the front here. I sewed that on that front cover. Here's a time card. I made a pocket with the time card, and inside there's a price tag, the tag from the kit, and then in this glassine envelope I included items from the kit. This little journaling card and these barn stars that I call them, and these nice circles. Move that aside. I made a matchbook paper keeper. This is sewn on, this part here, and you open it up, and it's just a collection of paper that I used in this journal. And in the back I added a little journaling card. So in in total, in this traveler's notebook, there's 4 weeks. The middle of the signature, the tag that I made. Also here is a tag that I made. Some I did not include twine because it got too thick. I tend to overload, overload with the ephemera. So I made that journaling card, 2 tags. I also made this tag with the leftover from this here in the front. Inside here, a journaling card. Here I made just a little pad with some leftover drawing paper. And some drawing paper. Oops. And here's the back. I just want to show, if you go to the middle of the signature, I'm going to remove these here, how you can easily remove these 2 signatures. There you go. And you can add more items to the cover if you want. So that's the Traveler's Notebook called Burn Swallow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. It'll be listed in my Etsy shop. Bye-bye.